Today let's go over a shoulder join that I like to use. It's a 3-needle bind off, and I use it primarily to join shoulders of sweaters. The front, let's just pretend here you've got a front piece and a back piece and you got your shoulder stitches. And what you'll do is you'll do right sides facing each other, and you'll line up the stitches just to near the tip of your needle to make it easier. And then we'll just knit the first stitch of the first needle and the the first stitch of the second needle. Knit those two and drop the stitches off both needles. Let's see that again. The right hand needle through the first stitch of the first needle and the first stitch of the second needle. Knit those two together and drop the stitches. And then we'll just take our second needle, or a first, whatever makes sense to you, and we'll bind off as we normally would. And then we keep going. First stitch of the first needle, first stitch of the second needle, knit those two together, drop them off, bind off. You want to be careful of not going through a stitch. Like let's say you did this. You went through both, let me see if you can see, they went through both legs of a stitch. If you do that, you'll end up dropping a stitch and there will be a hole in your shoulder. So you want to make sure you go through one leg of those stitches. Knit those two together, drop them off, bind off. And you just continue that way across, and what you'll end up with is a really nice, fairly low profile seam, which looks nice on the right side. But that's a pretty good shoulder joint I like to use.